Good evening everyone! Magandang gabi! It's a Friday night, so happy weekend! Tonight on Learning Tagalog, let's learn these and these. This is a pen. It looks like a grass, but it is a pen. This is a pen. Ito ay ballpen. These are pens. Ito ay mga ballpen. Ito ay mga ballpen. These are pens. This is a candy, and it is my favorite candy. Pastillas. This is a candy. Ito ay candy. These are candies, and I have 4 pastillas, my favorite candies, and 1 coffee candy. These are candies. Ito ay mga candy. Ito ay mga candy. That's all for tonight. Bye everyone. Enjoy the weekend.